When you're looking to choose a CRM, there's a lot to consider. Insightly has made a name for itself, but before you make the jump, there are a few key things you need to know about the platform. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be comparing it to some of its competitors so you can make a truly informed decision. Let's start by talking about the features. Insightly offers a robust set of tools that's not just about managing contacts. You're getting project management features baked right into the platform, which is something a lot of other CRMs don't have natively. It allows you to track customer interactions, manage tasks, and run projects from start to finish, all from one place. If you've used something like HubSpot or Salesforce before, you might notice the difference in how seamlessly these features are integrated with each other on Insightly. Next thing to note is how easy it is to use. While CRMs like Salesforce are known for their steep learning curves, Insightly's interface is fairly intuitive, making it a solid choice for small to medium-sized businesses who want powerful functionality without spending weeks learning how to use it. Even the project management side of things is simple enough for non-technical users to get comfortable with, and that can really save time across your team. Moving on, one of the things Insightly does really well is the integration with other tools. You can easily sync with platforms like Google Workspace, Office 365, and more, which is essential for businesses that rely on multiple tools to manage their workflow. Unlike some competitors, the range of integrations here is impressive for a CRM at this price point. If you already use tools like QuickBooks or MailChimp, you'll find it easy to sync everything in one place without the need for complex workarounds. The fourth thing to keep in mind is their pricing. While Insightly's pricing is competitive compared to major players like Salesforce, it can still get a bit pricey as your needs scale. However, it's worth considering the value you're getting in terms of features that include both CRM and project management functionality. But unlike simpler tools like Zoho or Freshsales, Insightly might seem a bit more expensive for basic CRM needs. That said, the flexibility it offers can justify the price for businesses looking for a more all-in-one solution. Another aspect of Insightly to consider is their customer support. While they provide a solid knowledge base and community forums, the direct customer support isn't as fast or responsive as you might find with something like HubSpot. If your team runs into technical issues or complex setup questions, don't be surprised if you experience some delays in getting personalized help. The support channels are there, but they can be a bit slower compared to other more premium CRM options. Next thing, scalability. Insightly can be a great tool for startups or small teams, but if you're expecting rapid growth, you might start running into limitations. For example, while Insightly does offer unlimited custom fields and reports, you might find it lacks some of the advanced analytics and automation capabilities that you'd get with something like Salesforce. It's a great fit for companies looking for an affordable CRM that can handle moderate growth, but larger enterprises might outgrow its capabilities over time. The last thing to consider is mobile access. Insightly's mobile app is pretty solid compared to other CRMs, but it isn't quite as polished as some competitors. It gets the job done for day-to-day CRM tasks, but if your team heavily relies on a mobile interface for managing tasks and projects, it might not be as seamless as what you'd find with other platforms like Pipedrive or HubSpot. It's decent for simple access on the go, but keep that in mind if mobile optimization is a huge factor for your team. So, if you're ready to give Insightly a try, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the software and access exclusive benefits.